Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me explain all physical control panel for your climate control system. So let me show you how to easily manage your climate control. Let's begin. Alright, so as you can see, here is the main screen of the Mercedes, and here is the control panel of your climate control, and let's go through all of these buttons to show you what exactly you can do here. So let's start from the left. As you can see, this blue-red toggle, this is the temperature adjuster. You can push it up for warmer air or down for cooler air. As you can see here, we've got information about the temperature. Right now we've got 20 degrees, so let me leave it that way. Then you've got this menu button right here. So if you tap this menu button, the following screen should pop up. Here you can also adjust the temperature. You can select the direct of the circulation, and you can also adjust the speed of the following fan. So that's it. You can also choose from front to rear, but here in rear you can only adjust the temperature. Alright, so let's go next to this panel. As you can see right here, let's go from menu to the next one. This is fan button. So this controls the fan speed. Tapping it up increases the wind. As you can see right here, we've got also the information about this wind. And if you tap it down, you can even completely turn off the fan speed. Then in the center right here, we've got Windshield MAX button. This is the defroster. It instantly sends maximum hot air to the windshield to clear ice or fog right here. If it's orange, it means that it is working. Let me just close it. Alright, here in this panel you've got also the hazard light, so it's just important to know this. Then you've got here also the following rear heated lines right here, as you can see right here. So this activates the rear window defroster and usually also the heated side mirrors. So let me just press it, and as you can see now it's working. Alright, next we've got car with loop arrow. This is the air recirculation button, this one. And it stops outside air from entering, useful in tunnels or behind a smelly trunk, and recirculates the air already inside the cabin. So if you just tap it, it will work only with the air inside the cabin. You can turn it off as well. Then we've got the AC button. So this turns the air conditioning compressor on or off. You can keep it on to dehumidify the air and cool the cabin. If you just press it, it will completely turn off the air condition. Then we've got also this button right here. This is the air distribution switch. You can use it to adjust the airflow. It could be just your face, for example, just your feet, or both. So you can decide on which direction the air should go. You've got the animation here to see how it works. Alright, so I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.